In a remote basalt canyon, a seasoned climber threads a narrow rift as thunder rolls and rain tightens the slick walls. With every grip, he uses precision foot placements learned from desert canyoneering, knowing a slip could be fatal. A sudden flash flood roars, carving new channels, and he toggles his rope with calm, surveying exit routes under storm light. At last he reaches a sheltered ledge, eyes scanning the amber sky as the canyon exhales and the storm moves on. He tapes the moment, sharing respect for nature's awe and danger, and continues onward with careful pace.